All right, we're gonna take this guy outside. I'm gonna show you a little bit about how we're gonna be using it and really kind of what it's all about. Let's go. Okay, it is locked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this button here for 3 seconds. And it unlocked it. Now, once it's unlocked, you have these different options. You can hit this mode button, which will allow you to switch between different settings here. So right here is drinks, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the setting it's already at. This here says seafood. If you can see past that, the sun is really glaring in on there. There's a seafood, 0 degrees. There's another one that says ice cream. It's 14 degrees. Fruits. I like to keep the fruits and the meats on the same one, but if you don't want it to, get too cold, you can do the drinks at 50 degrees. Once you are in the screen, you can actually manually change the setting up and down if you like. And then once you are unlocked, you can hold that power button down for about 3 seconds and it will cycle power down. Another cool thing that I like about this is this kind of rigid looking rough top. It's cool. It matches the interior of our Forester, which is kind of cool. Not that it has to match the inside of your car, but I just thought it was cool that it matched.